for our Battle of Laguna for our 8th game. Now beginning. LBDL going up against RGG San Pedro. And oh, miss. The first. Of course, partner. Joining me, of course, my name is Third. Joining me, Coach John. Coach, this is gonna be an interesting game between two teams.
Well, this is a different team na nakita natin, the younger version. This is a much competitive LBDL basketball lineup compared to the young team na mga nakover natin. And this is gonna be an exciting match. The Battle of Laguna, of course, medyo magkalayo. Para parehas ng probinsya. So,
ang alam ko talaga, partner, ito yung pinaka-closest team na kagaya ng Surhome San Leyte. Itong LBDL, if you could remember. Talagang ganun rin playstyle nila kung paano yung playstyle ng Sur. Ganito rin yung playstyle nila eh. So, let's see. How will this result? But the first points.
Stepping on the line.
Oh.
Very clear on our point POV.
Oh, stepping on the line. Well, ito nga RGG San Pedro. While malakas nga under 15, let's see what caliber could this under 17 bring for this squad.
Well, this is gonna be a fast-paced game. Takbuhan ang gusto nito mga batang to. So, tignan natin who can get that tempo of run and gun game.
RGG San Pedro. Inside it goes for number 20. Sid Devillo. Banig Devillo. Oh, babanig, no?
Hubilla. Randy Hubilla. Randy Hubilla.
Tignan natin. And again, number 13 gets it to go. This time, Bantegi. Si Tom Bantegi. LBDL. Rapid response. Randel Blanco. With the ball. Randel. Blocked. Away. By number 22 there, JM Magpantay.
Jump ball has been called. Possession will remain with LBDL. 14 to shoot.
23, 24, 25, 26.
Another block shot here.
And shot clock winds down. It will be a shot clock violation. That ball not hitting the rim will conclude to become a shot clock violation.
Of course, we'd like to greet the team owner nakasama na nandito, nanonood mismo. Big shout out to the team owner ng LBDL, si Boss Glenn Chavez.
Yes, sir.
Siyempre, ang kanilang LBDL coaches. Together with their chairwoman, si Ma'am Mercel Velez of the Jeddah Youth Ballers Club. And directors, Coach Ray Madatu of Samahan ng Kabataan sa Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Hope to see this lineup on the upcoming Asian Global Youth Basketball. Maraming again salamat to team owner, Boss Glenn Chavez. Nandiyan si Boss Glenn, yung mismo nanonood. Nandun sa likod ng bench ng LBDL.
Kung malakas na nga mga 13 under, 15 under lineups ito, the 17 under is bound to be more stronger. Let's see. Oh! Miss. RGG still has it. Number 20. 4-3. Bantegi misses. And one finish.
Or number 28.
Oh, number 28 dun. That's RJ Tejerero. Tejerero, one of the athletic players then of the squad. If one thing's known about RGG San Pedro, it's their athleticism.
There's RBDL finding that opening sa ilalim. Pero great recovery on the defense by the blue shirt, the San Pedro. Oh, long three and nothing but net for number 11. That's Cyrus.
So si Cyrus Rejano.
Cyrus Rejano. Some hesitations on the move from RGG San Pedro, especially the shooters.
There you go. RGG. LBDL rather. Oh, hits the bottom. Hits the backboard. Miscalculated on that lob pass. Oh! Look at that from Jeff Samson. As now, there will be a timeout. Balik lang po ang NYBL. Ito yung star eh. Alam ko. Welcome you guys back. NYBL Pilipinas. 5-10 is our score. 5-point lead in favor of the blue shirts of RGG San Pedro. Again, another steal. They come up with it and oh!
The classic pump fake.
Oh, goes flying there. Number 12, si Renz Cordoba.
Well, by the way, third, no, gusto ko lang batiin nga pala ang JRU Alumni Association celebrating now the alumni homecoming.
Oh.
Ginagawa ngayon sa JRC Quadrangle Ground, no? Sa Show Boulevard, ang 102 alumni homecoming. Yan, and yung mga classmates ko, batchmates, and other friends. Big shout out sa inyo dyan. Enjoy the night.
Lopez.
Dami nagtatanong, mapupunta ako. Sorry po. Talagang nakapuno ng schedule eh.
Oh.
I have to pass on a celebration maybe next year for the alumni homecoming.
Baka next year na lang.
Malamang next year na. Hindi na tayo aabot ano mang mangyari.
Oh, naka-play!
Miscue on the defensive end para sa LBDL.
And Christian Lopez just free there, assisted by that number 8 man. Si Francis Arciso.
Again, they need some adjustments here on the defense. Itong LBDL as the RGG San Pedro tried to pull away from the stream. And there's a top, another steal. And this will be a cruise in the wind.
All the way there for Christian Lopez. Right now, unexpectedly enough, LBDL struggling on their offense. Jump ball. It stays with them.
Ball will stay with the gray shirts.
Shot clock 15, deep 3, no good. Who gets that rebound? And RGG San Pedro does, rebounded by JC Machado. Lopez pinasa. Pass it around. Gives it back. Oh, Arciso. Pass to number 25.
Agent Zero, machine gun shot.
Ayun.
Wow!
Wala pa rin para kay 27 doon, JC Machado.
Getting that basket and a harm. So he will proceed to the 15-foot line to shoot a bonus free throw.
Si Miguel Argunda pala yan, number 0.
And he cannot complete the 3-point play. Si Manaloto.
Randall Blanco with the ball. Randall being double teamed. And that,
Again,
oh wow.
For him.
Grabe yung deep. This is a different defensive scheme than what we're used to. Hindi ito yung normal trap, partner. I think.
Well, ganun pa rin. They're using the 2-2-1 trap. Pero
may pagka-double teams, partner.
Medyo mas malapit lang. Hindi nila ginagamit yung full length of the court. No? Naka-quarter court trap sila.
18-5. 13 lamang. Well, LBDL. Normally, I think they're known for trapping. Instead, they're settling for zone. Oh, and inside, JM Machado. Or JC Machado.
Defensive rebound. It's now a 15-point lead.
And pass. Pump fake. Randall Blanco sees one inside, but no good. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 22. JM magbantay. Tres Magunda at wala. And at the end of our first quarter, score 20-5, a 15-point lead in favor of the RGC San Pedro team. Babalik lang po. NYBL. The start of our second quarter now. 20-5. It's a 15-point lead so far. Tremendous start para sa mga blue shirt dito, partner. And bank shot, no good. Offensive rebound and a foul. And a very interesting start. Tremendous start para sa blue shirts. What can you say about the first quarter?
Well, eto, pinakita ng RGG San Pedro that they are prepared for this matchup of Laguna basketball teams. And favor are going on their way as you can see that the tempo na gusto nila yun ang nasusunod. So let's see ano pa yung mga magiging adjustment dito. And of course, pa-shoutout again, ayan, sa mga taga Jeddah Youth Ballers Club, si Mamesal Velez saying go LBDL. And again, ma'am, we're inviting you, please join us this coming March sa ating Asian Global Youth, yung mga Jeddah Youth Ballers natin. They're watching straight from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Wow!
Big shoutout po sa inyo dyan, and ingat po kayo dyan sa Jeddah.
No good. And rebound by JC Machado. Now, with the ball, ito si Markin Manaloto. No good. Who gets the rebound? It is LBDL, Cyrus Reano. Coast to coast, dump pass to Vince Sabares, and Vince
I like that run by Rejano, but medyo na ano lang ako. Medyo hindi lang ako natuwa doon sa late yung pasa. I think he can give that ball much better, much earlier, no? Para nakadiskarte ng gusto yung kanyang teammate dito. Itong si Vince Navarez. Navarez missing the first one.
I think this is the older brother of Drake Navarez right there. 1 for 2 for Vince. Lopez. Lopez. Attacking. Cut. Shot. No good. And who gets a rebound? Rebounded by that number 3, Denmark, San Valentino. Oo.
Yung mga pasa, medyo too late. Pangalawang beses na natin nakita ang ganung instance. And Lopez, they paid the price with that late passes and with the 3-point coming from Lopez. And jump ball again.
The third side. Foul.
Foul will be called against RGG San Pedro. And a chance now for Ryan Sulit.
Oh.
To take that 3-point basket. And again, gusto lang natin pasalamatan from NYBL ang team owner ng LBDL, si Boss Glenn Chavez is with us. LBDL coaches, Chairwoman Ma'am Mercel Velez of Jeddah Youth Ballers is watching us live now. Diyan po sa Jeddah, big shout out po sa inyo dyan, ma'am, and to all the members of the Jeddah Youth Ballers Club. Director Coach Ray Madatu of SMNKSJ or Samahan ng Kabataan sa Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Magandang araw po sa inyo dyan. Hapon tayo ngayon dito, so I think hapon na rin sa kanila dyan.
The 6 to 9. Lopez. Dump pass, no good.
At dito meron ako napapansin, a crowd favorite para rito sa RGG San Pedro, number 5. Tama naman, nakakuha ng charging.
Oh.
At ang ingay ng crowd natin doon. But we don't have his name. We'll get the name of this kid, number 5 of RGG San Pedro. We have a timeout. We'll be back in just a short break.
5?
Game 26 to 9. Lopez. Oh, turnover.
Can you read the surname?
And now number 27 on the run. No good there para kay Navarez in that
At sulit, mapapaul doon.
Para kaya Ryan Sulit.
Christian Carl, KC Legaspi, kaya pa yan, galingan nyo, LBDL. Sulit with that free throw, with that split charity, he put the team to the double digits score on the board.
Paigane. Good.
Missed 3-point, pero nandun ang LBDL, especially their guard, number 11.
Rebounded by that number 8. Ito si Francis Narciso. Already down the floor, number 19, Jeff Samson.
He get that basket. Jeff Samson joining the scoring parade here. Gilbert Lopez, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Good luck LBDL, kaya yan. Oh! Too strong on that pass. Nakakapasong pasa, hindi nasalo.
Tres, wala. Abidiel gets it back.
And an easy layup there for number 20. Itong si Obilio. Hope we get that right. Sila kasi nagsulat ng pangalan dito no? LBDL with the rebound. They trail by 16. A long way to go. 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. One behind the sky play. Riano to Sulit. And Sulit converting that too. Way to the left. Double foul will be called. Double foul. Possession arrow. No possession and ball is will be the jump ball. So bola mapupunta sa blue shirt.
Mantegi, pass kay number 19 dito. And the shot from the elbow, no good. With that rebound, it will be LBDL's ball.
Again, that fadeaway jumper, no? Kita natin, mahirap talagang gawin, no?
Wow.
And number 18, converting on that basket, itong si
Johan Marius
Nuevo.
Mantegi. And no good there for RJ Terrero. And that time,
number 19,
Jeff Samson.
Jeff Samson. A whistle here. A foul on number 22. Paigane. 22 mali. Magpantay. JM Magpantay will be called for that foul. Making the first free throw is Tolosa. But he cannot have that 2 for 2. Offensive rebound LBDL. This time nakuha na ng blue shirt. And a steal by Riano. Riano against Paigane. Great defense by Paigane. Riano with the rebound. Sulit. Baseline jumper. That pass coming from Tolosa.
To Mantegi. No good on that 3-point attempt, and it's rebounded LBDS, specifically sa Solano.
Now chance for to come much closer ang LBDL if they can make a basket here. Another baseline jumper miss. And there you go. Sulit. Turn around. Baseline jumper. Another 2 points para kay Sulit. And Gabriel James Abeles. Hashtag LBDL watching from Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Magandang araw sa inyo dyan. Oh, missing that dipsy do. 12-point lead here. Sulit will be called for a foul.
Teggy, 2 shots. Tom, first shot no good. Second shot to Tom Bantegi. Yes, LBDL. Good movement. Decide to go take a 3. Oh, doesn't fall.
What a confidence on that shot. Coming from Randall Blanco. Converting the 3-point on the pass break. So back to a big 16-point lead. Here's RGG still.
Randall Blanco.
Or correction on the 3-point that was shot earlier. It was coming from number 13 of RGG. Si Bantegi nga pala, yung player ng RGG who made that pass, that confident 3-point pass break. A missed shot from RGG. 9 to shoot. And I think that would be it. At the end of the first half, our score 37 to 23.
Abay. Nakakabukas to. Babalik po ang NYBL. For the start of our second half, 37-23 is our score. Bit of still up by much itong RGG San Pedro, but not as bad as it looked in the first quarters. Partner, take it away kung ano yung analysis natin for our first half.
Well, I think LBDL, their offense has awakened on the second quarter, scoring 18 points after scoring just 5 points in the first quarter. But their defense is still cannot cope up with the speed that RGG is showing. They stopped the RGG by to 17 points. So isa lang ang nakuha nilang puntos niyan. Positive 1 lang sila. Pero nagsimula kasi a huge 15-point lead at 5-20 and so they are still trailing here, and yun na nga, kailangan talaga gumanda ang depensa rito ng LBDL para makasabay sa nilalaro ng RGG San Pedro. And si Asher Peña saying good luck LBDL, and magandang gabi to the remaining viewers natin sa ating NYBL Facebook page.
Enjoying right now the show, the Battle of Laguna. Of course, part ito one of the bigger municipalities tong dalawa na to, no? Los Baños and San Pedro.
Los Baños, malaki talaga to. Meron nga tayong university dyan.
UPLB.
UP, ang branch ng UP. Of course, isa pang pagmamalaki ng Los Baños is their yung kanilang mga spring water, no? Galing sa Mount Makiling. At yung I think part din nila, part sa kanila yung hot spring, no? Ng hot spring ng Mount Makiling. So,
wow.
Kaya malaki talaga, bundok sila ron. Ang San Pedro naman may bundok din yung langgam. Yung galingan ng bahay. Pero syempre malaki yan. San Pedro is the first town or the first city from Metro Manila. Yung pinakaunang-unang syudad na unang-unang part ng probinsya ng Laguna after Metro Manila. So considered na rin ba na Metro Manila actually? Malapit sa Mantilupa eh. Ang pagitan lang naman ito, yung ibon lang. Yung manok lang.
And Vince Sabares going for that quick 2. And right now, down by 12 na lang. RGG San Pedro going for another score. 3. No good. Rebounded by LBDL. Pinasa. Short on that layup. Nuevo. I would have appreciated if that went in, partner.
Pero although they missed and the foul was called, lucky break para sa LBDL dahil it stopped the pass break. Dahil meron ng 4-on-2 situation doon. Natawagan na ng foul, pero
left corner 3.
3 points from number 19.
Jeff Samson. And still haven't figured out kung akala na to ni Jared.
Malayo
eh. There's
Jared from Rizal, Antipolo.
LBDL now, lapitan. Nuevo, pass to Blanco, back to Nuevo, decide tough, taking a 3. Blanco, kicks it out to lapitan, back to Nuevo, floater, kulang. Not enough push. Blanco sees the teammate down low. Makes an extra pass just to make sure, partner.
Great pass by
27, James Craven Navales.
Papunta kay si Sulit actually yung pumasa.
Sulit pala. And rebound. Lapitan leading the charge.
Ito si Lapitan parang is playing for the 15 under, no? Ito ba yun?
Lapitan. I think that's ano eh. Sila Ebron ata yun, partner.
Younger brother niya siguro.
May brother siya doon.
Mel Hamito Lane, shout out to Jeddah Youth Ballers Club babies here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Big shout out po sa inyo dyan and stay safe. Dyan po sa Saudi Arabia.
And subs coming in.
Maimbita kaya tayo doon sa isang liga nila sa Saudi Arabia. Nagpa-imbita no? Parang ang lapit lang. Pero big shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa Jeddah.
Jeddah. Yan mga partner, if you don't know, that's the commercial center of Saudi.
Sa mga open city. One of the open city in Saudi Arabia.
Yan rin daw yung principal gateway for the Mecca. Dun. 47-32 is our score right now. So, it's 14 point lead. Parang di na nakawala sa 14 points tong LBDL partner.
I'll just replace na lang what Jared Tawantao is saying is play more hard.
Play more hard lang.
Pare.
Ayan, dumagdag tayo. Live 61 viewers right now. The heat of the moment. Blanco. Dump pass. Grabe, solid yung interior defense nito, partner.
Actually, muntikan akong makarating dyan eh.
Sa
Jeddah. Nung nag-open ng McDonald's sa Jeddah, I was supposed to be part of the pioneer team ng McDonald's isang fast food chain dyan, which is McDonald's nga. Nung binuksan yun dyan sa Jeddah. Sana ako dyan.
Ano nangyari?
Ha?
Ano nangyari?
Wala lang. Habang story. Sabi naman Marcel, pwede po. Hopefully, sana makapunta kayo ng Jeddah.
Pakayos ng passport ko.
Ayusin ko po yung passport namin. Tapos we'll be your guest sa inyong tournament dyan. To cover your league.
Problema lang, meron pa ba tayong pamunta dyan?
Tapos, hanap nyo na rin po kami ng trabaho dyan. Ano na balik dito?
Balik bayan! Para pagbalik na lang natin dito, mga balik bayan baksa lang.
And great defense.
Wow!
That is a good defense coming from LBDL.
Tagal ko na di nakita itong team ni head coach niya, Donald Dolioso. So, it's been a while. But parang iba talaga ng system ng 17 compared sa 15 at 13, partner.
Mas systematic siya. Mas nakakaintindi na ng basketball itong mga to.
But I feel yung sa 15, no, may aggression pa eh. Parang gigil. Kumbaga street ball type. Dito systematic. And look at that. The adjusting every pass.
Ball movement.
Talaga.
RGG
Wow.
Pedro.
Order, the last coverage dito sa RGG San Pedro, they got beaten heavily. So it looks like they've improved ever since our last coverage with them. I think that was just an off day. Hindi talaga yun yung full power nila. Dahil nakikita natin. Grabe. Mga degenerates ba yun? Or, let me check.
18 under on the generals.
17 under to. So, RGG San Pedro.
Hindi, yung huli na cover natin was 15 under.
Passing up price, hindi. Ano?
Still.
Still.
LBDL completed. Listen the shot. And again, number 1 of LBDL, si Virgilio.
Omania. Virgilio Jr. Omania Jr. Junior to.
Gilbert Lopez saying good luck, Dwayne Lapitan.
Vincent Navarez. Pass. Shot for 3! Cyrus Reano firing. 15. Cuts it to 15. Oo, sumagot kaya? Walang sagot pa.
At least with 1 minute remaining, kung maibababa pa nila to 10, mas maganda.
Uh-oh.
You have a big chance of that comeback. Rihano, short.
No good.
Tapi ka ng bola. Tumama sa RGG player. Going rate 1 dribble shot. Pero Sablay.
Sablay and the ball.
Ni Denmark.
Less than 50 seconds right now. Oh, so yeah, Denmark.
And a basket there. Paiganes.
They really need to.
Training the players who have to score in the game. Basket. Courtesy of Omania.
Mong first game to ni LBDL dito, partner. Kung
Sa
tama
17
ako. Oo, 17 under.
Iba yung na-cover natin.
Oh, pero ito yung first game nila sa NYBL for our tournament. Second game.
Parang na-cover namin ito ni partner Johnny last week.
Ah.
Diba last week naglaro sila?
Kalaban MYB Juanico ba yun?
MYB
Nanalo
Juanico.
sila, no? Nanalo sila against MYB Montalban Youth Basketballers.
We have a timeout. Balik lang po, NYBL. Oh, 4.1 seconds. 4.1 seconds remaining.
Bago lang tayo mag-break, batiin ko lang. Sabi ni Ma'am Mariel Rico Rihano, good luck LBDL and Bunso Cyrus Rihano, Raisa Agustin. I love you, my player, number 19, Jefferson. Ayan. Sino si Jefferson?
Ano si Jefferson?
Hanap.
Jefferson. Mukha si Samson. RGG San Pedro ba?
Jefferson Samson daw. And we have a break. Magbabalik po kami habang hinahanap namin si I love you, my player, number 19.
Siya na tayo. Si Jefferson nga.
Balik na tayo.
Jeff Samson yun. Jeff Samson. Nahanap natin agad. Diba kaya napabalik tayo agad. And we'll see. Oh! Blunder! End of our third quarter. 52-38. We'll see if LBDL could bounce back against their rival. Balik lang po ang NYBL. NYBL Pilipinas. The fourth quarter begins. And now RGG San Pedro up by 14. 14 lamang. Nag-aabol ang LBDL. Tignan natin. Who will be the victors of our Battle of Laguna? No good. Rebound. What a rebound there. Secured by Denmark San Valentin. Or I think that is, kasi dalawa tres eh. Ayun si Rebellesa yan o San Valentin. Pero yun si San Valentin yun. And a 3-ball! Ayun naka-tres. To start off their offense immediately. Oh, missed there from RGG San Pedro. 41-52. Substitutions coming in para sa blue shirts. We have number 28 entering the court right now, si RJ Tejero. Along with the number 19 na si Jefferson Samson. And that one goes. LBDL cutting the lead bit by bit. Single digit na lang para sa RGG. Tejero pulls up. And oh, shooting foul. 2 shots right now for RJ Tejero. And a bit of nagkamayan to. Dalawa. Itong si Cyrus Rihanna at si RJ. So, looks like they're really close. Itong two of these teams. And now, all 10 na lamang. Partner, what can we say now? How will this fourth quarter come to be for both teams?
Well, I think merong variance ang tawag dito. Pag naibaba siguro ito by 7, baka magtuloy-tuloy ang LBDL. Pero yun nga, kanina binanggit mo, parang hindi bumababa ng 14. Parang nandun lang, pero ito naibaba nila ng 10. And possibly 8 na lang. A little tangle on the ground between Samson and Omania. So tignan natin kung maitutuloy ng LBDL yung comeback na gusto nilang gawin. We have substitutions here.
Sabingin, sabing out, Berhilio Jr.
20 minutes for Omania.
Oh.
As Año Nuevo coming back in.
Samson, no good for Jefferson. Ooh, whistle. It goes back to LBDL, walo.
Number 22. Ang natawagan ng foul.
And no good. What's it back in?
Ito na.
Sulit para kay Sulit.
At ito na yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, mukhang barrier yung 7 points, bumaba na ng 6.
Oh.
And possibly 5 if Sulit can complete this 3-point play.
Sulit talaga to pag na-shoot nito.
Oh, Gilbert Lopez, sana makalaro sa NYBL soon. You're very much welcome here.
Oh.
At
We hope.
Marjorie Sildo Bartolome, good luck. Tejerero.
To 3:47. 6 points is our lead. Passing it around, stolen away, LBDL. And coming from behind, itong number 6 trying to steal it, but Markin Manaloto won't be able to keep it in.
Partner, no? Halos walang nangyari dun sa dalawang quarter. On the last quarter, dahil both teams have scored 15, pero this time, medyo nakakaangat-angat. Already 15 points was scored here by the LBDL. Now 18.
Another 3.
And now 18 points have been scored compared to just 5 by, a 1 point only for, make that 4 points now para rito sa RGG San Pedro, samantalang 12 points have already been scored by the LBDL. Jump ball.
Nakasagot.
It will remain 17 seconds to shoot para sa LBDL.
Nakasagot agad dito ang RGG sa tres na yan.
Actually,
Pam Cyrus,
matagal
Rehano.
bago sila nakasagot dahil naibaba ng 6
Rehano has that confidence. Well, that time, too sharp. Pero they get it back. Long rebound. Inside, no good para kay number 20, Dan Bertolosa. But again, put back, second chance points.
And this time, nawawala yung defensive rebound na pinakita kanina ng LBDL.
Mantegi, screen. Oh, and no good.
Hesitant on that shot. Yun ang mga problema. Again, hesitating means 80% that you're gonna miss that shot.
Rehano. Back to Rehano yung bola. Cyrus. Oh, fouled. Reach in. Will it be on 13? Yes, it is on the number 13, I think, or number 20.
At mabigat, that will be the third team foul already.
5 minutes and 23 seconds pa tayo dito.
Apat na lang to. Sabi sa'yo, magiging close tong laban na to.
A Nuevo for 3. Too far. Last touch on a blue shirt. Shot
to
lang at
shoot.
10. And tinawag na ni head coach Donald El Dolioso ang mga kanyang players. We'll be right back. NYBL Pilipinas. For 3, Ano Nuevo. No good for Ano Nuevo. Fight for that ball, but that goes out of bounds. Blue shirts have it back. At
Touches that ball.
sa sunod na laban ng ating semi-final battle.
At si Ano Nuevo, after missing 2 shots, inilabas siya rito. Pero great confidence is being given to him by the coaching staff.
Bespin Rejano, partner. Oh, Sulit. Great contest by Sulit. Foul on who? It will be on Sulit likely.
Rejano.
Okay, no, kay Sulit nga. It is on Ryan Joaquin Sulit. And partner, after this match, wag silang umalis. Mga taga San Pedro, kung gusto pa naman manood.
Oh, yung mga taga Laguna rin, mga taga Las Bañas, baka gusto nyo supportahan ang inyong kababayan, ang San Pedro RGG 15 under division for the semi-final round. Tama, no?
Yes, and lalaban sila sa Caloocan Supremo for semifinals.
At kung sino yung mananalo, makakatapat ng
Mga taga Talavera naman, makakatapat
also
nila.
ng Old Passion.
Oh. So it's gonna be, kasi ito na din nakikita natin ito yung dalawang to. Either one of these teams could match
what
up.
an entry pass
Oh,
first.
wow.
Exceptional play. Papunta kay Sulit, bringing that they're just again down by 4.
Oo, for take a 3. Mantegi instead passes it. Teherero wala. Oh, what a rebound by Randel Blanco.
Yun yung tinatawag nating kalawit rebound. Akin tong ball.
Si ano pala yun? San Valentin. And a 3!
What a great bunot dito kay
Cut by 1.
Virgilio Umanya Jr. And they are not just down by 1. Possibly this will be the first time that they will taste the lead.
Ito, pasa kay Rejano. Rejano drives, floater, it's in! Rolls inside, perfect bank for Rejano, partner.
And the tides have been turned.
That's what we thought, no?
Laguna, Los Baños Developmental League now has taken the lead.
Bragging rights to, partner.
Yes.
Rejano again with a rebound.
Basta ako, ang kampe ko rito sa Laguna. Kahit anong mangyari, Laguna ako dito.
Laguna din ako, partner. Kahit anong mangyari. Doon ako sa may bundok.
Parehas.
58-59, 3 minutes and 7.
Ay, hindi ka pa nakakapag-swimming ng Los Baños, no?
Di
Sa
pa.
Pansol, no?
Pansol. Not yet eh.
Sige, minsan. Hot spring.
No good. Rebound by Terrero. Terrero has that ball. RJ trying to attack inside. Foul. One-point lead. Now, number 19, Jeff Samson has that ball, hands it off. And he's through. Attacks inside, and one! Rancy Nevillo.
Well, if you're gonna foul a driving player, make sure that he will not have a chance to make that 3-point play. Eh doon parang para silang Red Sea na binuksan. Hinati yung depensa sa gitna. Pero just a 1-point lead by RGG. Pinoy sidestep.
Oh.
Oh,
Pass it around.
passing inside.
Oh, and the counter steal. Rehano. Pass to Sulit. Sulit! And that's when we thought it was an end one.
Grabe yung bola na yun. Paano lumusot yun? Napakasikip.
Rehano.
Nung dinaanan na yun ni Rehano, parang butas ng karayo yung pinagdaanan ng bola at saktong-sakto sa kamay ni Sulit.
So tingin mo kung magician si Rehano, si David Blaine ba to, si Houdini?
Pwedeng malamang magician.
Magician
Well,
talaga,
again,
grabe.
pasalamatan lang natin. Ang LBDL team owner, Boss Glenn Chavez, I know he's having fun right now.
Oo.
At they were down as much as 19 points earlier. Pero ito, isa na lang ang hinahabol nila rito at nakakuha pa ng kalamangan. At syempre natutuwa rin ang ating chairwoman na nandyan sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Oh, for sure.
Marcel Velez of the Jeddah Youth Ballers. And ang director coach, si Sir Ray Madato at Samahan ng Kabataan sa Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Again, big shoutout sa inyo dyan, mga Jeddah Youth Ballers at ang Samahan ng Kabataan sa Jeddah.
Wow. Well, last 2 minutes.
2 minutes, we are tied. Rehano!
Oh! What a 3-point shot for Brad Cyrus! Rehano, I have no words right now. Give me the most impactful player right now in the clutch. That is Cyrus Rehano. Again, a rebound falls to him, partner.
What a game coming from this kid. Struggling in the first, then setting up his teammates.
Rehano now instructing his teammates.
Doing everything para sa kanila koponan. Oh, a whistle.
Waved off.
A foul before the shot.
Rehano, in-instruct si Denmark San Valentin.
At penalty na rito
So there will be penalty. So 2 shots for Denmark.
Pwedeng palakihin ni Denmark ang kanilang kalamangan.
San Valentin.
Valentin.
At our elder partner, ito ngayon kanina, nakakalawit rebound. Malaskati Thompson, di mo alam kung saan galing, partner.
Actually, ang tunay na nag-originate ng kalawit rebound is the Bull, Nelson Asaitono.
Oh.
Actually, ang patent pa nun is just a one-hand. Kalawit talaga.
Oo. Pero ever since talaga, the hustle. Oh! Another great rebound! But couldn't be finished. Wait lang, kasi yung bola mapupunta. Loose ball still. And diving, Rehano!
Getting that ball!
At may na-excite doon na player. May na-excite doon na spectator. Oh, we have an out of bounds call.
Wait, a shot clock violation.
Hold on.
Hindi tumama sa ring.
Oh, so it will be RGG San Pedro's ball. Grabe yung theatrics.
Hindi tumama sa ring and walang clear possession kung kanino yung bola at gumulong lang ng gumulong yung bola.
So hindi marireset yung bola, partner.
So shot clock will not be reset.
But you gotta appreciate the hustle that Rehano talagang nag-slide siya eh. He slid on his slid na paupo. And he secured that ball for LBDL, but sadly, it will go to RGG's way. At may spectator doon na excite talaga.
And Princess Setrak, shout out, watching from Japan. Shout out po sa inyo.
Shout out. Mayroon natin taga KSA at mayroon pa dito taga Japan. Oh! Saving the ball!
Almost.
Tejerero has it. Pasa.
At
Nevillo.
Ito ang pinaka-magic bunot.
Wow!
For LBDL, ang isa sa bukod kay Rehano at Sulit, ang pinakamabigat na impact dito was number 1, Virgilio Omania Jr.
Oh. Rejano already instructing his teammates.
He wants an isolation here.
Oh.
And a drop pass.
Oh, pass has been dropped. And out of bounds. Oh.
Over.
Trouble in paradise right now para sa LBDL.
Tolosa cannot control that handle of the ball.
And this is crucial. 1 stop for LBDL, 1 score needed for RGG San Pedro.
Both teams under penalty.
Kapit lang Laguna.
1 more timeout for LBDL, 2 more timeout for RGG.
Go inside, Mabilio.
Drop pass.
Terrero! No!
Papi ka ng bola.
And LBDL secures the rebound. Jumble. Oh. And they have to be separated right now. Got a bit tense between Terrero and what it looks like. I think it was Sulit or number 20. That's Tolosa, but we'll wait for what the referee decision will happen.
Well, dito, no?
Oh.
The players of LBDL, especially when you're on the bench, don't try to come inside on the court on that scaffold.
Oh, yun
Dahil
lang.
ang maapektuhan talaga is the coaching staff.
This could mean technical free throws, partner.
Pero we have a consultation with our technical head. Technical head Tag Certeza.
Papa
Talking
Tags.
to our officials.
Siya Papa Tags.
May dalawang player ng LBDL ang gustong pumasok sa loob eh. Actually, it was just a scramble for that loose ball, for that possession eh.
It's moments.
Ang pinagtataka ko lang bakit yung mga player from LBDL kailangan nilang mag-react.
Moments of the game.
We are here for a developmental league for us to be a competitive competitive basketball players. Hindi tayo nandito. Hindi ito liga ng kanto or kalye lang na anytime na gusto mo sumugod, pwede kang sumugod. Dito hindi. There are penalties na abutin talaga ang bawat inyo on your reaction.
So, could this mean 2 technical free throws?
Titignan natin muna kung ano yung tawag dito. Actually, yun yung sinasabi ni head coach Donald, no, ng LBDL. He was trying to pacify his players. Kaya lang yung mga players come inside the live court. Yun ang problema eh. Yun ang problema dyan. Yung pagpasok ng players sa live court.
Let's see what will happen.
Tapos a jump ball was called. Yung possession arrow is pointing with RGG.
So now, what could happen here as we await for the referee's decision? We'll stay on the live.
Well, ito pa, nagko-consultation pa, no? Of course, with the table official, taking consultation also.
Sabang sa consultation, partner, let's talk about the situation right now. 1 stop needed for LBDL, but 1 score need ng RGG San Pedro. Who and anong moment mangyayari talaga dapat?
For LBDL, no, whatever happens, may technical foul man na itawag o wala, they need to defend. Yun ang importante dyan. They need to defend and make sure if they have a chance for the steal, go for the steal and go straight right to the basket. Sino man ang makakuha, go for the win. Huwag nyo nang isipin na i-hold pa yung bola. Even na walang technical or hindi pumasok ang technical or pumasok ang technical, basta ang importante, once you get that ball, wala kayong ibang gagawin. Just go to the hoop. At kung hindi nyo man ma-shoot yan, look for a foul. Yun lang yan. Ganun lang ang gagawin ng LBDL. If they want to win, yun ang pinakamaganda nilang gawin dyan. Now, for RGG, if they will have a technical, first, make sure that they will convert on that shot. Secondly, call a timeout, design a play to go for the last shot. Ganun lang ang mangyayari dyan.
Grabe, partner, lumobo ating viewers right now.
Lumobo with 110, 63, 62.
Kapit lang, Laguna. Who will be your Battle of Laguna winner? First up many yata to sa mga Battle of Laguna natin.
Of course, go technical head Tax Certeza, one of the consultant, one of the founding fathers of the Nabro. And also,
Ito na.
ito na, abangan natin yung announcement.
We heard somebody speak right now, so. Oh. So medyo may separate groups dito tayo ng RGG San Pedro. Hindi tayo under 17, may 17 din doon. Ay 15 doon. 15 doon, 15 din dito. Mga 15 dito tahimik lang. Yung mga 15 doon tayo maingay. Sige, which? Tune in! Semi-final match. Caloocan Supremo from the north battling against the south of RGG San Pedro in the 15 under semi-finals. Mga kalaban nila ang northern part of the country, the northern part of Luzon, Talavera, who's now waiting in the finals to be decided.
Natin sino mag-a-advance dito. Nauna na ang
Alright, now here we go.
Yun yung mabigat dyan, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
So that being said, two players.
I think very technical on both benches, no? On both players. So magkakaroon tayo ng yun. So ito na, malinaw.
Oh man.
Technical dito, si I think it's yung number 20.
27, that's RJ Teher. 28, RJ Teher yung naki-jump ball partner.
Oo, at saka yung player ng LBDL, no? Yung involved dun sa jump ball.
Yeah.
Both of them was given a technical free throw. Now, para naman dito, for the RGG will shoot 2 technical free throws. Why? Because of number 10 and number 27, the players of LBDL who gets inside the live court.
Lapita rin na Bales was called for a technical foul. Now.
So eto, dalawa to. Dalawang free throw to. And
Jefferson Samson now.
Jefferson Samson, my baby. That's the first one.
Napasaya doon ang bangko ng LBDL, but they need this one to tie. Oh no!
Both free throw miss.
This was disaster. Now, technical free throws dito. This time, it's San Valentin.
Now, 2 free throws.
Yung nag-iingay naman dito, yung 17 under ng RGG. Ay, yung 15 under ng RGG.
Tingnan natin. Pressure cooker.
San Valentin. The most important free throws of your young career right now, right here. And LBDL rises in celebration. First free throw, he sinks it. Pangalawa, kabit lang Denmark. Nobody envies the situation right now, partner. And he misses. Rebound by Terrero.
They're going for the last shot here. Ito yung sinasabi natin. Are they going for a win? They're
1-3! No! What a rebound by Sulit!
Pero
Ayan, at agad umawat na si head coach Donald. Biglaan Donald, oy. Tigil. But Sulit. That is a hard fall for Sulit.
And this is a classic comeback, come from behind win.
Wow!
Kapag natuloy ng LBDL to. Now Sulit can seal the game. If he can make 2 shots, it will seal the game, but expect a timeout.
Could you say talaga na collapse to para sa RGG, partner?
Well, cool down.
Cool down.
I may say they cool down when after the third quarter, yung 14-point lead ay hindi mabasag. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko sa'yo, baka mamaya may barrier lang na kailangan ma-break. At baka pag na-break nila, yung kalahati, the 7-point lead, doon na mag-iba storya. At yun na nga nangyari. I missed that one. He must make this one. This is a pressure shot para they will remain in the game.
And it goes! LBDL.
We'll stay in the air. We'll stay in the air.
We'll stay in the air, RGG. Partner up by 3 right now, RGG San Pedro. They need a 3-pointer or do they just need a quick 2?
Well, if I'm the coach of if I am the head coach of RGG, ganito ang gagawin ko dyan. I will design a quick 2. Just a quick 2 play. Okay? Then, I'll make sure na makaka-convert kami rito ng basket. And if I make that basket, okay, quick 2 lang ha. So, 14 seconds, kailangan within 3 seconds maka-convert ako, makatira ako rito. Kung hindi papasok, I will go for the steal. Alam mo kanina, yung tinira ni Jeff after missing that 2 free throws, he just want to redeem himself, taking that big 3. That is not the best possible way to take that shot. Mahaba yung oras, you can execute a good play. Now, dito, sigurado hindi papaul ang LBDL. Kaya quick 2 lang, you go inside the basket.
Let's see what Coach Machado has drawn up. Davillo! Oh! It stays with them. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 0.7 and may timeout na naman dito para
Well, eto, with 7 seconds remaining, ano na lang ang gagawin mo rito? Wala ka na talagang gagawa. You have to take the risk. You have to gamble to tie this game. Take that 3, but you must make a good execution play to deliver that ball to the shooter. Yun ang importante dyan.
Kung under 15 to, partner, I would say, talaga, bigay mo kay Espedido, kay Franzman, pero the under 17s, we don't know who could be the main shooter here.
Well, alam mo kanina, nagko-convert naman, no?
Oo.
Itong si Jared. So, one of the option, of course, is Jared, na nasa loob.
Jared Tawataw.
Itong si Lopez, number 9.
Oo.
Medyo matagal yung tinahimik niya rin. So, isa rin siya sa pinakamagandang option. And maybe another big man.
Well, right now, we have Terrero, followed by Terrero, Machado. We have number 19, Samson. Let's see. Oh, quick 2. And put back. No! He misses. Who secured that rebound? And it's a foul.
And number 20. Itong si Tolosa.
Oh, man. A timeout called on the side of Coach Donald's LBDL. Okay, partner.
They want to secure this win. We have a break. We'll break for a moment.
Okay, balik lang po ang NYBL Pilipinas, the Bahab Laguna. Laguna, we at our peak of our live stream, we had live of 150 viewers, partner. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Oh, wow.
That's the dagger. That is the dagger.
And a look back from Toloso. Nothing but just coolness.
And look at boss Glenn Chavez at the back of the bench. Talagang pumapalakpak na. At syempre sigurado sila Marcel Velez and Coach Ray Madato dyan sa Jeddah are also celebrating.
And the powerhouse.
Mga tao dyan sa Los Baños, Laguna. What a great comeback win. Well, sabi nga ni Mayumi Jeru, hindi matatawanan talaga. Go LBDL, go for the winning. Well, totoo yan. What a great comeback and what a battle of Laguna that we've seen.
Grabe. At ayun, dito nagtatapos ang laban natin ng Battle of Laguna. Ang ating victors, mga taga Los Baños. LBDL win 67-62 RGG San Pedro. Now, tune in, last game natin. Semi-finals for under 15. Caloocan Supremo, lalaban sa RGG San Pedro rin. Babalik lang po, NYBL Pilipinas. We'll be right back.